Question number 71 of fundamentals. Abir, Bobby and Vineet, three partners are there. The capitals are closing. So first of all, we have found out their opening capital, and 9,80,000 is of Abir, 6,40,000 is of Bobby, and 4,70,000 is of Vineet. Now, when we are dividing profit, we have come to know that the amount of profit is less and the sum of IOC is more. Now, in this case, the entire profit cannot be distributed in profit sharing ratio. Whenever the amount of profit is less and the amount of provision is more, the entire profit will be distributed in the ratio of provision. So first of all, we have found out ratio of IOC, and it is 98 ratio 64 ratio 47. Now after that, what is our total profit? The total profit is 1,50,000, which is already there in the book, plus IOD, which has been charged from the partners. Okay. Now the total profit is 163600. Now out of this total profit, IOC will be given to the partners in the ratio of 98 ratio 64 ratio 47. And here it is 76712 for Avir, 50098 for Bobby, and 36790 for Vineet. Now IOD has been charged by the firm. So here we are debiting, and in the partners column we are crediting, that is 13,600. And after that we are getting balance of 1,50,000 on the credit side of the firm. And it means that again the firm is asking to pay back the entire profit which was given to them. So 60,000 has been returned by Abir, Bobby is returning 60,000, and Vineet is returning 30,000, and here is the net result. According to the net result, Bobby will be debited and Abir and Vineet will be credited in an adjustment journal entry. In case of Bobby, IOD will be calculated for 9 months. And how are we guessing that? Actually, he has withdrawn in the beginning of every 6 months. It means the first withdrawal has been done on 1st of April and the last withdrawal has been done on 1st of October. Period left after first withdrawal, 12 months. Period left after last withdrawal, 6 months. So 12 plus 6 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, and 9 months of IOD will be charged, okay, from Bobby.